Flosstime is a deceptively simple, automated floss dispenser designed to help you build better daily flossing habits. It quickly and easily mounts to your bathroom mirror and acts as a visual reminder to clean in between your teeth. With the push of a button, Flosstime automatically dispenses the perfect amount of floss. Dentists recommend you floss at least once a day, so if used regularly, Flosstime lights up with a fun smile for a job well done. But if a period of 24 hours passes with inactivity, Flosstime frowns at you with a gentle reminder light. Flosstime comes with fully customizable features to create healthy, lifelong habits for you and your entire family, such as single and dual user modes to encourage you and your family to floss, and fun animal snap-ons that get kids excited about flossing, giving you one less thing to remind them about. Flosstime also comes with a reusable floss pick, so you can reap the benefits of good oral hygiene, regardless of how you like to floss. With a Flosstime monthly subscription box, the perfect amount of floss shows up right when you need it. And replacement floss cartridges install in just seconds. Flosstime. Time to floss.
Looking for a faster, easier, and better way to get and keep your bathroom clean? Introducing the Shower Shimmy, the only tool you'll ever need to get your showers and tubs spotless. The Shower Shimmy is conveniently hung right in the shower for easy access whenever a quick cleanup is needed. Simply push the button and the powerful, environmentally friendly cleaning solution dispenses into the sponge and quickly wipes away soap scum, grime, and hard water deposits. Unlike traditional bathroom cleaners, the Shower Shimmy cleaning solution does not irritate the skin, eyes, or respiratory system, so no ventilation or rubber gloves are ever needed. The Shower Shimmy is safe to use on all bathroom surfaces, including glass, chrome, tile, travertine, and marble. The bristles on the Shower Shimmy are designed to attack the grout, grime, and stubborn dirt found in shower stalls and tubs. The squeegee carries away the last traces of dirt, soap scum, and hard water buildup, and can be used in between shower cleanups. When cleaning is complete, you simply rinse off the sponge and hang the Shower Shimmy back up. There are no rags to wash or cleaning solutions and tools to be put away. When the cleaning solution needs to be replaced, simply unscrew the cap to refill the wand. When the sponge and bristles break down, they can be removed and replacement pieces can be purchased. The Shower Shimmy. It makes cleaning easy to do and easy on you.
Just slide the wand down the drain and spin the handle and remove the clog. It's that easy. Here's how it works. The Drain Weasel Slim design weasels through any style of drain, so you'll never have to worry about taking the drain apart. The easy-to-use handle spins 360 degrees, rotating hundreds of tiny micro hooks that lock onto tough hair clogs. Just remove the clog and your sink or shower will be running like new again. After use, disengage the used wand for easy cleanup. The Drain Weasel refill wands are inexpensive and cost less per use than most chemical drain cleaners. With the Drain Weasel you get the durable handle with quick connect wands. Each wand uses FlexiSnake's patented microhook technology for easy drain access.
What is your shower number? How many gallons of water do you use? We wear smart bands to tell us how far we walk, how much we sleep, how many calories we burn. Yet there has not been a way to intelligently know how much water is used while showering. Introducing the WaterHawk shower head. The WaterHawk clearly displays your real-time water usage in gallons, allowing you to take control of how much water you use. People want to make a difference decreasing their water use, but they want easy, accurate solutions. The WaterHawk is the first shower head on the market to do just that. Make it simple while making a difference. Watch your water like a hawk. Save water, save money. WaterHawk.
Tired of clogged drains and disgusting hairy messes in your bathtub? Look no further than the TubShroom. It catches every single hair every single time. Gone are the days of sticky, nasty-looking, and hard-to-clean drain catchers that just don't work. With the TubShroom, the unsightly mess is hidden, the water flows freely, and with an extra layer of antimicrobial additive, the TubShroom will last longer and it's easier to clean. Short hair, long hair, curly hair, dog hair. TubShroom gets it all every single time. TubShroom is designed to fit virtually every standardized bathtub drain. The TubShroom is now available in the Chrome edition to match virtually any decor, and it's backed with our 30-day money-back guarantee. But wait, there's more good news. We are proud to introduce the all-new SinkShroom for your bathroom sink drains, with all the same benefits of the TubShroom, but for your sink too. SinkShroom is designed to fit virtually every standard-sized bathroom sink drain. No need to worry about losing jewelry down the drain or water slowing to a halt. No more clogs, no more mess, no more damaging chemicals. TubShroom and SinkShroom catch every single hair every single time. They're the last hair strainers you'll ever need to buy.